Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is School Supplies Drawing Series Part 6. In this video, we are going to draw and color a water bottle. Easy, so let's start. Here I use a black color marker pen to draw. If you like, you can use a pencil. Here, don't be quick. Let's draw it slowly. Like this, and here two rounds and match them with two lines, and here with these small spots we can draw it easily like this, and after that we can match them. Let's draw the belt like this. Here this line is for the front side and here for the back side, and this place also as same as. This is so much easy. Watch it carefully and draw it here, and I add few lines in front side so it may be so much clear to see front side and back side with these lines. In this place also I add them. I hope all people can draw this. This is so much easy and cute. When we talk about school supplies, water bottle is the main point, and this water bottle is somewhat suitable for kids. Here I add a small picture in middle of it, sun and a cloud. So we finish our bottle drawing. Let's color it. I use so much colorful colors for the bottle. Here in this place I add yellow color for the belt also, like this. Not all over the belt, in front side only. In back side I use orange color like this. You can use colors as you wish. Feel free to use your favorite colors. Here for this place, firstly I use dark blue, somewhat as a deep layer to light layer, with starting in this corner, not all over the bottle. You can use one color for the bottle, but with few colors it will be so much beautiful when we finish it. Here after that I add purple color after the blue color. This one also as same as deep layer to light layer, like this. You can use dark blue and light blue, and red color and pink color, and orange color and yellow color, dark green and light green. These all colors are suitable for this place. After that I add pink color. This one also not all over the place. I save a small space in a corner like this. After that, in this small place I use white color like this. You can use yellow color also for this. Here for the cloud I use light blue. Let's color slowly like this, and For the sun, firstly I use red color and save a small spot in middle of it. For that place I add orange color. In top of the bottle, firstly I use pink color with starting in a corner and save a small space in other corner. If you like, you can save it as empty, but here I use white color for that place. And after that I add red color in this corner, somewhat as a deep layer. If you like, you can use red color before you use pink color. So we finish our water bottle. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.